Plannerzoidies, and welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid. Today I will be doing a plan with me and my micro happy planner, and y'all, I have been having such a good time this fall doing spreads. I mean, I know it's not officially fall yet, but it's fall in my book, and I've started doing fall planner spreads and putting fall stuff in the shop, and I'm just having fun. Okay, it's just coming out so cute. And I even set up my micro planner, so I will link the playlist at the end where you guys can go back through and see inspo videos of how I set up my micro happy planner. But look how adorable this cover is. I just did this cover, it's so cute. I've added new shakers. This one's really cute. I like this one a lot. Isn't this cute? It's almost like, I guess, Hello Kitty inspired. And this one is like ghosties and ghouls. And then this one's really cute. I love the purple. Look how pretty this is. And then I do have like a couple of shakers in my micro. Isn't this cute? Like, y'all, I've essentially turned my micro into a purely decorative planner at this point because I just enjoy decorating it. And I enjoy it more than functionality. I'm not going to even lie. Yeah, I'm thinking about using my mini as my main planner. I kind of been flip-flopping between the micro and the mini. It's going to be one of those because I like small planners. Today's micro happy planner spread is going to be a taste of Halloween. We're going to do something with ghosties. It's going to be really cute. And I will be using this Happy Planner sticker book, Seasonal Fall. I do have a flip through on my channel if you're curious before buying it. Or if you already have it, let me know what you think. I actually like this book. I like all of fall happy planner books. They're really good. Summer is my least favorite, but I like fall. So the page in this planner I saw, where is it at? This one, isn't this cute with the ghosts? And this one. So I'm gonna be kind of doing stickers with that. When it comes to decorating your planner spread, I'm going to be honest, sometimes it's okay not to be super functional with it. But of course you want to be functional, but it's just sometimes I just love decorating. And it feels good to not have to worry about where to put the words sometimes. I like this washi sticker, but I gotta be careful. I thought this black background would be perfect because of the background colors of the stickers. I'm trying to make these even. Okay, wait. About had it. There we go. You know, I was kind of trying to make it even like that. And then I want to line another one at the top too. Yeah. Look how cute this is. Lovely. And then I have this third one right here. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, it's short. I thought I ripped the sticker. It's a short one. Okay. I want to do something with this one. First off, let me add some ghosties. They're so cute. Thinking here, but then it's like it's too much ghosty. I'm gonna figure it out. I do want to add these two. Let's get some boxes first. I always have to make room for the boxes, so let's get some boxes. I did see a couple that I was like, oh, cute. I don't think I'm going to be doing too much anyway, so I definitely don't have to prioritize functionality too much in this spread. But I feel like I don't use a lot of Halloween stickers, so I told myself this year to use them, and I will. And I think it looks good so far. Now let's find some ones we can actually write in. Actually, you know what? I know what I can use. Totally forgot. I make my own stickers, so I have some matching stickers right here. So I'm just going to use these. I'm going to add this circle because we got a lot of squares. And see, now I feel like I can add more like ghosts and stuff around it. So let me find it. Yeah, like this. Aww, it's so cute. I love this black outlined around it. And you know, I don't really celebrate Halloween like that, but I know people that do, and I ain't gonna lie, sometimes it does look fun. Like, it does. I have no particular reason for why I don't. Just never really been into it. Let's do a ghost right here. Okay, this is cute. I am liking how this is looking. This is adorable. And on this page, I think I'm gonna put some more squares. Like, I have this smaller one. I'm gonna kind of do like a, I don't know how to explain it, like a zigzag. Like, I'm gonna scatter my boxes a little bit. Actually, I might want them touching. Actually, I'm gonna let them touch. That's kind of cute. I think so. And I'm gonna put some embellishments around it. Let's do some of these stars. I like this silver foiling. Can I fit this here? I don't know why. I just like to fill up my pages. I just have to. I'm gonna put this here too. That is adorable. And then I want to use this short piece. Let me see. I really do. I want to use this short piece. Maybe it can go like right here. Why that look good though? I was not expecting this to fit perfectly. That looks really good actually. Okay, I guess it can stay there. I have this spooky sticker. Yeah, maybe here. I like overlapping, so yeah, let's overlap some stuff. You know what? Let's overlap. And I'm gonna add a few more stars and small ghosties. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea where I'm gonna put the day of the week. Well, actually, yes, I do, because I do have some stickers that I made that'll match this perfectly. But usually it's the ones that I use, those have a clear background, so it's gonna blend in. I gotta figure that out. I'll probably add that later on. Oh, I didn't even see these. They got non-foiled ones. Was that a couple of those? I'm gonna use my tweezers. Sometimes my fingers are really getting away. What do y'all think of this spread? This looks so cute so far. Oh my goodness. I like it. This is cute. I gotta do Halloween spreads more often. I really don't do them a lot. Yeah, this sticker book is really good. I love this sticker book so much. I'm gonna make sure I link my flip through at the end so you guys can go back and look at that video. I think So Fun would be really cute. We're gonna add this So Fun sticker. Because I was trying to switch it up a little bit. Like, see how it's white and now it kind of stands out a little bit. I was just switching it up, adding contrast. Maybe I could do the same over here. Let me see. I see this Yay sticker. It's kind of in the way. Wait, there we go. See, I can add something there, maybe. That's kind of cute. Okay. Yeah, I guess that's it. They really didn't put a lot in here, unfortunately, for Halloween. Like, this one clearly prioritizes fall more. I was going to use this one, but since I just bought this one, I was like, you know what? Let me use this one. Let's see how it looks in the planner, which I already know is going to look good. I'm loving the black and white. Wow, y'all, this looks really good. Especially in the cover too. Like, how fun is this? And actually, my favorite kind of spreads to do are like the monochrome spreads and everything. because it's just easy. You pick 1 or 2 colors and then you're good, you know? Oh, this is cute, y'all. And this bow right here, I want to try to get it in my shop. So hopefully it can make it for Halloween, but I want to try to get this bow in my shop because it's so cute. And then this will look really good with it too. Ooh, nice. There we go, guys. So how do we like it? Let's go ahead and do a montage so you guys can see it up close. I thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, I know you guys love my micro plan with me videos where I make decorative spreads. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please continue to tune in because y'all, fall is my favorite. So I'm gonna have some super cute spread ideas for you guys. Bye guys. Hi Zoidies! Thanks for watching my latest video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just a reminder that I post content on every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Sundays are my cozy gaming live streams. Tuesdays are any videos related to planning and stationery. And Thursdays are any videos related to any kind of lifestyle and self-care. So make sure you guys stay tuned for my next upcoming video and to check out any content on my channel. Thanks guys!